You should be most welcome to Gmodism Total Nerdy channel. This time we will review and unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. So we'll give a first impression and unbox it. So let's begin. So here we have the box, Redmi 9 Pro. Interesting, we have it covered in plastic, so we should first remove the plastic. Interesting. Tearing. Right. Kind of iPhone-like package. Friction. Yeah, this is interesting. What is this then? And here we have the phone. So let's just take a little look at that. Ooh. We can see Redmi 9 Pro. We have 4 cameras there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It reminds me very much like the packaging reminds me so much of like iPhone somehow. And the camera is pretty exposed there too. It's good I have some kind of protection for it. Okay, anyways, let's carefully put this down here. And let's see what we have here then. Something to remove the SIM card. Oh! We have some warranties and stuff like that. But it also seems we have a gel shell, I mean. I didn't know they included a... Well, I didn't have to buy one then. Anyways, that's pretty cool. This is what I've been using for my previous phone, like forever anyways. The gel shells are really good. Anyways, that's cool. Nice they included that. And we have this little pin here for moving SIM cards, so we'll definitely need that. Very much iPhone-esque packaging, but I mean, they're both made in China, maybe even same factory, who knows. Okay, here we have a power adapter. Finally, I get a power adapter that's actually for Europe and not Japan, because I bought my last phone there. Pretty big block. This is not some small thing. Wonder why. Well, hopefully it doesn't sound when you use it. You know, many of these adapters have they kind of scream when you use them. Not everyone hear it, but well, it feels like pretty good quality. I already said it, but you know, the shape of things and the packaging reminds me of iPhone very much. Even the cable, you know, they also have these. I don't know if everyone uses it. Was a couple of years I bought a new phone, so. Anyways, do we have anything here? I think this is all just packaging. So interesting. Better check though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is empty. Yeah, it's definitely empty. That's a little bit interesting because that means they didn't include a headset. And while I don't need them to include a headset, they usually do include a headset when you buy a new phone. So that's a little bit well, can't get everything. We got a gel shell instead. So I mean that's nice. And it even have a little protrudes a little bit around here, so it kind of protects the camera, I suppose, because it's not super thick. It's also texturized on the inside. Oh god, this is gonna... I'm already making a mess with my fingers on it. Anyways, Redmi 9 Pro. So let's have a little look on the phone here instead. So we have a lot of plastic, so we should remove this. 30 watt fast charge. Maybe the big charger is because it's a pretty fast charger. That could be true as well, of course. Okay, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, high efficiency processor, FHD dot display, side mounted fingerprint. Okay, so this is maybe a fingerprint reader on the side here. Well, anyways, we should remove this plastic. Yep, very interesting color. Oh, interesting. It seems that it already comes with a installed or mounted like display protection cover. I'm not sure that's the case, but that's what it feels like, you know, like here. It's a little edge, so it seems like it's already protected somehow. Oh god, and I'm leaving so many marks. It's hard to know like what type of quality this is, but let's see if we have any battery and it starts up. Android, and we have some I mean, like, initial expression is that it's packaged very well, like that. The phone is of course not like super expensive, so it's not, you know, really like that. But now we get to the startup process and stuff like that, so I won't be covering that in this video. But interesting that we might have a screen cover already put on here. I will check that up a little bit, because I don't know if everyone will get that, and we'll also probably need to you know, make sure. So if you don't want it, you shouldn't remove it. But that's that. Like the phone is pretty heavy, but not very heavy. But it's a heavier phone, I think. It's pretty large as well. It feels like decent quality. It's a little bit plastic because the backside is plastic, and I got this very interesting tropical green something that I already put fingerprints on and stuff, but well, that's how it is. But it's definitely plastic on the backside, a little bit plastic on the front side. Whoops, here's the camera. But it definitely feels pretty sturdy. I mean, it's not super plastic, but it's still a plastic phone, of course. Well, I suppose that will be that. That's the unboxing of this phone, and I should go to the startup process and start using it. And it's a USB-C, by the way, if you were wondering. And this phone, it uses 3.5 connection for headsets, which is one of the reasons why I chose this model and not one of the even newer ones. So with this 3.5 connection, you can use almost all normal headsets, which is nice. Well, and there we have it, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro unboxed. Here we have it. Beautiful phone and nice cover, and it feels pretty sturdy. It's definitely plastic. I mean, it's not glass, but to be honest, I think I prefer it, because those phones that really feel like, you know, glass, they feel pretty pro, but when you drop them, they're a mess. And my previous phone, It's this one. It's an Asus phone. It's also plastic, and I drop it on the floor every day, and it hasn't broken yet. And of course I'm using a gel like shell like this, so that probably saves its life. But hopefully, I don't know if this is the true, but hopefully the Xiaomi phone also has some, you know, doesn't break when you drop it, because sad as it is, I don't think I will stop dropping my phone anytime soon. So I'm really hoping it's gonna have a like long life. It's I thought my phone was huge, but this one is larger. It's larger, but it looks great and it feels pretty nice too. As I said, everything feels pretty iPhone-y when you unbox it. Until you pick up the phone, you know it's not glass, it's plastic, but it feels like solid plastic. It doesn't feel like something, I mean, it doesn't bend when you do like, it's sturdy, it looks nice. I think it will be great, but I'm a little bit confused why there is a screen cover on it already installed, because I don't know if all of the phones that you buy get it. I don't know if all of the phones get this free gill shell either, but anyways, hope you did enjoy this little video, and if you did, you should definitely leave a like and subscribe for future videos. And well, share this to your friends if they are also thinking about buying the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Anyways, I'll see you around. This is your host, Gmodism, signing out. Bye.